Welcome to the Electrify Chemistry. Today we will discuss term, system and properties. This is the lecture 2. In lecture 1, we discuss advantages and disadvantages of thermodynamics. If you want to study lecture 1, just look at that. So just look at this diagram. The red one is the system and the black one is the surrounding. We use the laser pointer, okay? So red one is the system and black one is the surrounding. So the separation between system and surrounding is this yellow dotted line, which is a boundary. So what is the system? Part of the universe which is under thermodynamic study. What is the surrounding? Everything in the universe which is not part of the system. What is the boundary? Anything that separates the system and surrounding is called boundary or wall. As you see this diagram of beaker, so the beaker itself is a boundary. Inside material of the beaker is the system. Outside part of the beaker is the surrounding. So what are the terms of thermodynamics and what is the types of boundaries? Rigid wall, position and shape are fixed. As you see this beaker, we can't change the shape of the beaker. Okay. What is the impermeable wall? Does not permit the passage of matter. So what is the matter? Matter itself is the water. And what is the energy? The condition of water which is carrying. So what is the condition of water? Water is hot. So hot is the energy. What is a diathermal wall? Good conductor of heat, allow exchange of heat between system and surrounding, but prevents the passage of matter. So what is diathermal wall said? It is a good conductor of heat. As we replace the glass of the wall of the beaker with a good conductor of electricity heat, so it exchanges heat between system to surrounding. What is the adiabatic wall? It is the opposite of diathermal wall. It means non-conductor of heat and prevents exchange of heat between system and surrounding. So there are mainly three systems. First one is the isolated system. Boundary prevents any interaction with surrounding, or system can neither exchange matter nor energy with the surrounding, called isolated system. Example, thermos. So as you see, in thermos we can't in thermos, if we put hot water, it remains hot for a long time. As we put cold water, it remains cold for a long time. So thermos itself is an isolated system. What is the open system? If the matter and energy both can pass across the boundary called open system. Example is hot water in a beaker. As you see, the energy and water both can pass across the beaker, okay, called open system. What is a closed system? If only energy can be exchanged across the boundary with the surrounding and not the matter, called closed system. Example is hot water in a sealed beaker. As we put lid on top of the beaker, this will be closed system. So this is the diagrammatic representation. First one is the isolated system, second one is the open system, third one is the closed system. Just a bit. Okay. So what is the thermodynamic property? There are mainly two properties, extensive and intensive. So what is the extensive property? It depends on the mass or the amount of the substance, called extensive property. These are additives. Means the total value of extensive property is the sum of the values of the property of the individual component into which the system is divided. So what extensive property says depend on the mass or the amount of the substance. As you put water inside the beaker, the amount of water is an extensive property. Okay, what is the example? 10 ml of liquid A plus 10 ml of liquid B gives 20 ml of solution. What is the intensive property? It do not depend on the mass or the amount of the substance, called intensive property. These are not additives, means the value remains same in any part of the system. This property related to intensity and not additive. What is the example? 1 liter of water at 80 degrees Celsius plus 1 liter of water at 20 degrees Celsius gives temperature is not 100 degrees Celsius. We can't add temperature. Okay, means intensive property. As you understand my lecture, give like and share and subscribe. And if you want to learn more of thermodynamics, I will put a PDF link in the description. And if you want to study more thermodynamics, I created one new channel which is Telegram channel. I will put link in the description below. Thank you for now.
Enemy and friend is not an option. We all listen now, we go dance and start. Sing Salavina, man,